Hi, I'm Liz the Tidy Lady. Chorus is making it easier to connect to fibre. They can install and connect you in one visit, meaning you only need to be home for one appointment. So while the Chorus technician is transforming your home with super fast broadband, I can show you some quick tricks and tips to transform your house. Here are 3 quick tips on how to organise your pantry. Number 1, toss. Number 2, store. And number 3, make it easy. First, preparation. Clear your table or your kitchen bench and have bin bags or boxes ready. Time to toss. Put your glasses on. As you pick up each item, read the expiry date or estimate how long it's been since you used it. It's probably lost a lot of flavour or become stale. As you empty each shelf, give it a good wipe down, but don't put anything back until you can see everything you have. Get your label maker out. Store similar things together. Bigger plastic containers are handy to keep things together according to activity, like baking and cupcakes. Put the most used things within easy reach. Line up the same things from the back to the front. Store bigger, heavier things down low and things you rarely use up high. Now you can see exactly what you've got and you know if you've run out of something. That is one organised pantry. With Chorus and the Tidy Lady, together we can transform your home.